Your new sound is with the letter Y. Y at the end of a word, its sound is like the letter name I or like the letter name E. Point to each letter or letter pair and say its sound. Sound, 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 sound. Write the letter pair that makes the sound oo, like screw. Write the letter sound that makes ow, like cloud. Write the letter sound that says I, like fly. Write the letter sound that says k, like truck. Write the letter pair that says like fern. Write the letter pair that says qu, like queen. Write the letter pair that says oo, like blue. Write the letter pair that says like thumb. This word is dry. D-r-I, dry. Sound these out and say them fast. Now you spell these words. Drew, shy, cloud, faster, my, and your last word, cry. This word is new. You read it, point and spell, and then say the word again. Just like this. New. K-N-E-W, new. Your turn. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Say the word. Next word. Say the word. Spell the word. Say the word. Very good. Now I'm going to enter a text box over the words so you cannot see them, and I'm going to ask you to spell the words. I would like for you to spell the word knew. He knew what I was going to ask him. Knew. Next word is house. I don't think I have left my house in 3 weeks. House. Your next word, over. I will be glad when I can have a friend over to talk to. Over. The last word, head. Put your hands on your head. Head. Read these sentences. Point to each word as you read. Now we're going to talk about our magic E rule. If we add an E at the end of a word, it can jump over only one consonant to make the vowel say its name. And then it makes the long sound, and the E is silent or says nothing. So even though there are 2 vowels, there is only 1 vowel sound, which means it only has 1 syllable. Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. As you're reading these words, I want you to pay attention. I would like for you to write the letter or letter pairs that make these sounds. As in fern. Owl, as in cloud. E, as in tree. Th, as in thumb. Oo, as in screw. And E, as in tree. Now read these words. Now spell these words. Bound. Bound. Next word, term. Term. Next word, sheet. Sheet. Next word, slouch. Slouch. Remember your CH versus TCH rule on that word. Next word, glue. Glue. Last word, brew. Brew. Now read these nonsense words. Now I would like you to write 3 nonsense words. Swirt, swirt, thawed, thawed. Last word, murk, murk.